Hi guys, Tony here, and this is part 2 of the 2-part series video about me talking about how to create your own online business. And hindi po ito yung tipong Facebook Marketplace, Facebook page, Instagram page lang. This is really you selling nationwide type of store. In the part 1 video, I explained how I did my research, how I did testing products, and kung paano ko siya ginawa or paano ko siya pinlano from day 1. In this second part of the video, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano ako nakakuha ng benta and how I scaled it from 1 sale up to now a lot. I think currently I'm at 200 sales na. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you need any help and if you have any questions. Let's get started. Hi guys, Tony here, and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Hi guys, it's day 16 and today I have officially started designing my own website. Natagalan ako kasi pre-product test ko muna yung mga other things na binili ko sa Shopee and Lazada. And remember in my past video, in the last video that I did, sabi ko I have 2 items na binibenta ko na, and ang ginawa ko is I've added another product since na-sold out yung dalawang product ko sa Lazada. Inisip ko na magandang take it to the next step, create my own website, and promote it on Facebook and Instagram. Ngayon, kaya ako natagalan is I wanted to test each product first. So, inantay ko muna siya dumating. Tinest ko muna kung maganda pa talaga yon. Inisip ko muna, tinest ko muna yung packaging, kung ano magiging itsura nun. So, initially, I bought 5 pieces of the packaging materials and I've bought 3 additional items, 3 pieces ng idadagdag kong ibebenta. So, I won't sell it to Shopee or Lazada kasi doon ko din yung binili. I might package it together with the initial product. But if I want to sell it individually, doon ko siya ipopromote sa website, Facebook, and Instagram. Right now, I'm just focusing now on creating the website itself, the feel, the look. Nag-research ako ng mga pwede kong inspirations from other countries na same theme sa akin. And ang gagawin natin is, if I'm gonna sell it in Lazada and Shopee, again, I'm gonna package it as a whole. Okay, so may package 1 ako, ngayon may package 2 ako. I can't sell it individually kasi meron na dun eh. Diba? What's my edge? So this is my edge, really. Just giving them the whole package. That's in Lazada and Shopee. Why am I doing this? Why am I creating a website? Is kasi kapag umasa ka sa Shopee and Lazada, you won't take control. Kapag nagsarado si Shopee, nagsarado si Lazada, saan na yung shop mo? Wala na. So at least I have my own website and I can also alter the look, I can alter the feel, I can alter anything I want because it's my own website. Ngayon, I'm using Shopify for the creation of my website. Ang kinagandahan kasi dito, it's free for 14 days. If you're gonna go to the Shopify website agad, you will get 14-day free trial. Wala kang babayaran. It's just really you giving your email for their reference. And then, you go ahead and design the website you want. You can try it out first. It's totally free. Walang bayad. Hindi din ako binabayaran sa pag-plug dito. It's really me helping you guys out. Take a feel on creating your own website. You don't need a web developer. You don't need a web designer for it. You can do it yourself. Just drag lang naman yon. And if you can't design, meron silang stock photos there ready for you to use. It's very, very easy. Gumawa na actually ako ng video about this. If you have missed that video, I'll link it dito po sa taas and dito sa baba. Yung video na tinuro ko kung paano kayo gumawa ng sariling website, it's totally free, totally easy. Walang bayad again. Sa akin to, it's a recommendation, free recommendation. Let's see what will happen and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, as hopefully the next video will be launching the website full blast. Alright? Hi guys, it's day 21. It's day 21 and tapos ko na po yung website na napag-usapan natin na gagawin ko na talaga. And finally, I have finished with the basics of the website. Meron ng products, meron ng payment options. I've set up the pages, the look, the feel of the website. And it's not really fully done yet, pero what the hell? If we're gonna wait for it to be super perfect, we won't get done. We won't be able to start. And ang rule ko is to us just get started and then work from there. Kung may konting adjustment ka nakita, ayusin mo na lang. But the main point that I want to push is just do it. Don't wait for anything to be perfect. You won't get anything started. Hindi mo matatapos lahat. Hindi ka makapagsimula ng mabilis kung aantay mo lahat to be super perfect. No one is perfect. Your website won't look perfect. After a few years, mafe-feel mo na gusto mo pa siyang palitan ulit. It's okay. No one's forcing you to be perfect. I'm gonna discuss today kung around really how much yung cost ng isang website. And with you doing it, it's free. Diba? Time mo lang. Design-wise, layout-wise, ikaw na gumawa. Tinuro ko na po kung paano kayo makakapagawa ng mga pictures and the website itself. In my earlier video, I talked about how to create your own Shopify website, and I use Shopify because they have detailed reports on your shop, and I will show you that in the future. I'm gonna show you this time my screen. We will try to purchase the website today, and kahit na hindi pa siya fully tapos, at least nasimulan na natin. No more excuses, no turning back. Kaya ko siya bibilhin ngayon para hindi na tayo mag-doubt na, ay, hindi pa tapos, bukas na lang. Better to start now and then get started than to just wait and wait and wait and wait. One of the biggest mistakes that I did was to actually wait for it to finish until na tinamad na ako, or yung time na ang ganda pala ng mga in-offer ko. I waited so long for it to get started and nag-fade na yung trend. And sayang lang. Let's get started with this. As you can see, kapag bubuksan mo yung website ngayon using the default domain of Shopify, open mo siya with the password. Bakit? Kasi hindi ka pabayad sa kanila. Let's click here and then it will go to the page kung saan makikita mo kung magkano ang babayaran mo. And basically for me, since I'm just starting this out, we can choose this plan, basic Shopify. Just pay for using your credit card or PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal yet, I recommend you do. Mas mapapadali po buhay nyo. And if you want to learn how to cash out sa PayPal account, I'll teach that in the future. When we pick this plan, kung okay na tayo dito, 13 plus tax, you will also be charged with kanina 2% transaction fee. Ang transaction fee naman is kung may bumili lang sa'yo, yun lang yung babayaran mo. So, no big risk there. When we go to this and we start the plan, that's it. Now, your next step would be to create your domain name. Domain name is yung www.whateveryourshopis.com. I use GoDaddy. I'll link it sa description box ulit. Kinagandaan sa GoDaddy is they give discounts. Let's go to GoDaddy and click on domains. And once we click on domains, dito sa search your domain, you type in kung ano ang name ng shop mo. If you can see here, naka-discount na siya. I've picked my own website name based sa ginawa kong shop name. And if you can see, instead of 858, if I purchase this today, it's only 79 pesos. Minimum for 2 years. So let's click it kasi alam ko, based from experience, kapag hindi mo na siya binili agad, binalikan mo pa, tataas na siya. Make sure you put the .com at the end para yun talaga yung bibigay sa'yo. Let's try to put 2 years kasi yun daw yung minimum registration, and you can see na 45%. It's only 900 pesos for 3 years na. Let's continue to cart. Heads up lang na you need to click the full domain privacy and protection. Ikaw bahala kung gusto mo nun, pero for me, I really don't need it. Small time lang naman tayo. Pag lumaki na tayo, pwede pa. So let's click no thanks. Yeah, we're done here. And let's go to the bottom. And let's try to buy this na. May tatanggalin din tayo kasi naka-default siyang ilagay sa'yo. Baka lang hindi mo makita. We don't really need a professional email yet. Small time pa lang tayo. So let's take that out. Total natin is 919 pesos for 3 years ng .com. Hindi siya mahal talaga. And that's it for today. Hopefully, positive outcome. Let's see next step after you buying the domain, after you buy the website, is to market your brand. If you have missed that video, I will link it here and dito po sa baba. Facebook advertisement, Instagram advertisement, how to create your Facebook, how to create your Instagram pages, lahat po yan nandito sa taas and dito po sa baba. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan panoorin. It's a process that you must take, and yes, Facebook marketing is very important based from past experience. Kung wala akong ads sa Facebook and Instagram, wala po akong benta. It's an investment that we have to make, but again, it's an investment na may return if you target it correctly. Comment ka sa baba kung nako-confuse ka na by this time, and I'll answer it as much as I can. Hi guys, it's day 24 and pasensyahan nyo na yung nag-ice cream sa labas, hapon na kasi. Anyway, it's day 24 and sabi ko nung day 21st, the last video, bibilhin ko na yung website, bibilhin ko na yung domain. And I did. And I just wanted to make a quick video habang inaayos ko pa yung website, habang nagdadagdag pa ako ng bagong items, I'm researching, I'm doing product testing. Bigla akong may narinig and I'm just so excited to show you guys. I'm gonna show you the first sale. Okay? First official sale, yung isa dyan, ako yan. Nag-testing ako kung paano mag-process yung website when someone buys. And yeah, first ever sale, kahit maliit. Kaya maliit yung amount is because mababa pa yung offer ko. And I'm just so excited. After I finished the website, I did some ads, Facebook ads. And I finished that actually last night. And nagdagdag ako kaninang umaga ng 2 more ads. And yes, finally may sale na. And yes, it's very slow at first, syempre kasi ito pa lang yung pinakaunang ads na ginawa ko. So ibig sabihin, inaaral pa ni Facebook yung mga target audience ko, since medyo umuokay na. I think matatrack naman niya after this yung mga possible or mga same people who will most likely buy from my website. Very important yung Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing. Very important po yun. So if you have missed that video, gumawa na po ako ng video tutorial about Facebook ads, Facebook marketing. It's right here. I'll link it here. That's it for today. It's still day 24. Let's see in the next few days with my ads running kung hanggang sa magkano tayo by the end of the month. So see you. Hi guys, it's officially day 30 yesterday. Bago ako umalis ng bahay, naisip ko na, if you can see, I'm about to leave the house, pero naisip ko bago ako umalis, I have to do this short video just for you to see my progress. And nandito siya sa screen. And this is day 30. Okay, so hindi pa tapos yung month. And it's been, I think, 6 days since my last video about yung sinabi kong nag-Facebook ads ako and I'm waiting for it to optimize. After a few days, nag-optimize na siya. I closed some ads. Gumawa ulit ako ng bagong ad. So, ganun dapat pag nag-Facebook ads, hindi ka lang stick sa first ad mo. You have to adjust if you see medyo mababa yung engagement, mababa yung results. So, before I leave the house and I'm konti na lang, malilate na ako sa pupuntahan ko. So, I'll show you real quick the results for the past 6 days. And I'm planning to end the month before I shoot again and let you see the progress yung benta ko for the whole month. Alright? So, I'll just switch the screen. Alright guys, so it's still 9 a.m. It's still 9 a.m. and so far I have 2 sales today. Yan. And yes, and so far for the month I have this month it's 10,000 sales, 10,000 peso sales. And if you're gonna ask me how much na yung nalalabas ko for Facebook ads, I've only spent 3,000 pesos so far. So this is 10,000 out of the 3,000 I spent. Syempre wala pa dun yung product cost and packaging, but still for 6 days, 10,000 pesos. It's not that bad. Kung may alam ka na sa Facebook ads, ang ginawa ko is low budget. So I'm only spending 150 to 200 a day. And that's not a bad result for 3,000 pesos. Hindi pa ubos yung 3,000 pesos ko. Take note, 6 days, 3,000 pesos. Di pa po ubos and I still got, I think, 1,000 credits ko for Facebook. I'm still waiting for more sales. Let's see, I'll optimize it. Hi guys, so today is officially the end of creating an online business from scratch. And ayun nga, I'm gonna show you right now kung ano yung results nun. And as I have mentioned, I have done a couple of ads already. I'm gonna show you real quick the results. Half a month pa lang to. Imagine if I have started selling the whole month, kung magkano. Here it's 22,000 for half a month sales. Buong August yun. Ayun nga, 22,000 for half a month. Imagine if nabuo ko siyang one whole month, how much? So this month, let me see if I'll do an update video. I cannot see the sales today, but I have 32 orders to fulfill. I'll be busy over the weekend, kaya din medyo matagal yung pag-update ng video. But, yeah, 22,000 for half a month. In this video, I'm showing you the importance of researching, testing the products, doing marketing, and actually creating and selling from your own website. Kaya ako naisip tong gawin is because some of you are planning on selling but don't know where to start, don't know how to grow your own business, and this is like a proof to show you na it's really possible. All you need is just a little investment and a lot of time. And yun nga, kailangan mo lang ng knowledge about starting your own website. And if you have questions, if you want to learn more, if you want me to guide you, please let me know down in the comments below. And I'll try to help you as much as I can. And yes, I want to help you guys out. I've initially invested around 3,000 for ads and the products, the research. Nagsimula ako sa 5 items per product, and nung nakita kong mabilis bumenta, that's when I decided to buy 100 muna. I didn't buy from Alibaba, I didn't buy from AliExpress yet. I didn't buy from China yet. Ang initial supplier ko was actually Shopee and Lazada. And this is how I want you to think. Start looking for local suppliers first before you transition into getting larger quantities from outside the country. It's easier, it's faster, it's cheaper if you think about it. What I did was created an ad, hindi nag-work yung iba, so I adjusted and then I readjusted and then readjusted again hanggang sa makuha ko yung target audience ko. And ngayon, alam na ni Facebook kung sino yung mga audience na dapat niya i-target para sulit yung binabayad ko sa kanila. So, I'm only spending based on results. So, kung walang benta, konti lang din yung binabawas ni Facebook sa binudget ko sa kanya. Alright? So, if you have other questions, if you are confused with some parts of the video, please let me know down in the comments below. I am more than happy to help you guys out. I hope you've learned a thing or two and I have inspired you to create your own website, sell your own brand, create your own brand, build your own online business. Please let me know down in the comments below kung ano pang gusto nyong matutunan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you click the like and subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I do hope to see you again soon. Bye!